Okay, so what we want to do now is we want to actually create a link. And in order to do this, we're just going to come down. We still got our image there. And let's start off with our open caret. And we're going to say A. So what this stands for is anchor, or an anchor tag. And if you ever hear coders say an anchor tag, what they mean is a link. And a link just takes us to another page within our site, or even to a whole nother website itself. So I'm going to say A space href. Alright. And we're going to set this equal. And we know with equals we have quotation marks right after that. And what we put in quotes is the site or the page that we want to necessarily go to. So we want to go, let's say we want to go to CNN.com. Well, you can't just put www.cnn.com. It doesn't work that way. You first have to put http://. Alright, we have to put that first. And now you can go in and say www.cnn.com. Alright, and now I can close this. So we get this closing anchor tag automatically generated within brackets. So what we can do at this point is between this is just what we want to give the user something to actually click on. So I'm going to say CNN, and I'll just be the text. And I'm going to hit save. And if I live preview this, there's the link here. And if I click on it, it takes me to CNN. But there's a problem here. There's an issue. It took me off of my page here. And I usually want this to open up in a new tab. So we need to add something to the syntax. So after that closing quote, after a comma, let's just hit space. And what we want to do is get a target. And if you just type tar, you see that target pops up. And that's what we want. And then we get another drop down for something else. And what we want to do is choose _blank. And what that'll do is open this up in a new page. So if I hit save here, and I click on CNN, now it opens up in a whole new tab for me at this point. So that's really sort of cool. Now the other thing is you can link whatever. It doesn't have to be text. I can link images. I can link blocks if I want, which you'll end up learning later. So let's just say I wanted my image to be a link. Well, inside of this, I'm just going to put the image source tag here. So let's just do open caret img src equals, and we're going to say our dog.jpg. And we can't forget to close it. So now this, once I select this will now be what I'll use to link. So my image will now be a link. And here's my second image. And you can see once I hover over it, I get this cursor saying I can click on it. So if I click on it, now that pops me to CNN. So you can make links out of anything that you want. It doesn't have to be just text. It's a cool way to jump from page to page.